done.
I don't know how it's showing on the camera, but we got a nasty one coming in. I don't know if it's going to be snow or just rain, because it's kind of warm out. According to the car, it's 48. I was just saying, getting ready to tell you guys as I was coming out to turn, whenever I was going to turn the camera on, is
rain.
Okay. I was getting ready to tell you, if we get at least two or three more days like this, I might be able to metal detect again. It'll be muddy, but it's better than nothing. We'll have to see what the weather does today. Oh boy, gotta love Mondays. Alright, got everything together, and we're going out of town. I might have some footage of me metal detecting. I don't know, we'll have to see. Alright, it's a grumpy old morning, but we're heading our butts over across the mountain. See how bad this thing looks. So, I don't know. We'll see. If the water's up, I ain't gonna be able to metal detect there, but we'll find a place. I promise you. And right now I am not going to go flying because it's pretty rough. Alright. The roads ain't too bad. They're muddy, which I expected. But they're passable. We're almost New Orleans now. I'm not promising you nothing with the creek because it may be up. I thought maybe it wasn't raining over this way, but it's raining. Don't worry guys, I'm going to readjust you on the way back. I don't like that view. Well, I would say the creek's up a little bit. I can't get nowhere down there to metal detect, so it's definitely out of the question too. That's crazy. If I can find video of it last summer when it was calm and tranquil, I will. But wow. Yeah, look. That looks like a creek all on its own over there. And I metal detect that. So that's good for the fact of it's moving that rock around. So that means this stuff will be showing this summer, spring. I'm going to get up here before everybody else does. That water's booking it. Alright. Let's go find somewhere else. Oh well, we'll go down and check the canal where I fish. Up there, and maybe Bond's Landing. See what it all looks like. Might just go check out the rivers as the snow melts and the rain comes down. Alright, I'll be back with you in a short. Holy cow! We will not be metal detecting down here. To say the river's up is an understatement. Holy cow. The river is actually up to here. That's parking spots there. Wow. Alright. We're going across Greenwood Station right now. Watching the road. Now depending on what this truck looks like. This, jeez. That's the Potomac. It's up to danger. So, I wasn't planning on throwing my raft in there anyway. There you go. Wow. She's up. Up. Alright, we're still looking for a place to play. I'll be back with you in a short. It's getting a little slick. We're almost down to where I fish, but man. We are in all-wheel drive, so I should be okay. I'm gonna blame my dad for this weekend because yesterday was a nice day. I could have went metal detecting. We'd have had a good time and all that good stuff, but he drug the day out. And I ended up with Sunday being my day out. So here we are, four-wheeling across Green Ridge. Sorry, I wanted to test her and this stuff anyways, just to see. And I will say sorry about metal detecting video, but as you can see, we're in the middle of monsoon season, snow season, and I don't know, freezing season, all in one shot. I might have to be careful on the way back to the graveyard. Oh, William. This is Carroll Road. Carroll. broke it, didn't we? Yeah, we'll probably just go home after and play up here a little bit, because there's just... Yeah, I got Rogue a little dirty. This is the Roby Cemetery. I'm guessing the Robies are buried here. This is an old graveyard. I mean, if you go back here in the back, I'll show you. I want to get out of the rain because my camera is not waterproof. Not even water resistant. Trees growing a lot. You can see some of these are old. But if you go back here, look, you can see where they're so old they don't even have the concrete things. You can see where the body is. It just caved in. America. That's cool. Never noticed that before. Or I did and I forgot. But you can see, I don't think this is vandalism. I just think it's old age. Because these are old. This is father. You can see George W. Seabold, born February 22nd, 1872. He died April the 18th, 1922. He got a little bit of age, considering. This is a Seabold. Oh, this is the mother. She died in 1952, June the 25th. She was born June the 28th, 1873. Emmeline Seabold. Huh. I mean, there's people that come up here because I see flowers and stuff. Ooh, there's a grave. There's a grave. Look how caved in that is. That's James Roby. 1837. That ain't right. Oh, 1920. Mary A., his wife, she died 1919. That's what it looks like. 1919 or 1910. Alright. There you go, Carol. Everybody else, look how close this is to the rim. It's way up. And as you can hear, it's got a waterfall. Check this out. I mean, it's over the top. Look at that. Wow.